Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is a continuation of how to convert SQL queries into Python pandas. So today's topic is how to get team size of the managers. So this is our employees table, and here you can see this is our employee ID and this is our manager ID. So that means there are some employees who are also managers. So how to get the team size of these managers? So let's see. So what I have wrote, select manager ID, count star as team count. So count star means it is checking each and every employee ID, how many times it is coming as a manager ID, how many occurrences are there. So here you can see manager ID, employee ID 1 is coming 4 times as manager ID. That means he or she is handling 4 people. Okay, like this is count star is counting. Okay, so as team count from employees where manager ID is not null. Why it is not null? Because here you can see employee ID 1 has no manager. Manager ID is null. So that's why I am removing null row. Group by manager ID. Okay. So right like this I am counting how many employees he or she is handling. So let's see how to convert it into Python. So here you can see this is our connection string. Okay, so here I have to read the SQL first. So I'll write like employees equals to p dot read SQL. So select star from employees. Okay, I'll create the connection, and after that I'll close the connection. Okay, now what I can write, result equals to, so I need to group by which column? I need to group by employee ID column, sorry, manager ID column, right? So what I can write, employees, I need to get manager ID column. Okay, then I need to drop the null values, right? So what I can write, I can write drop any. This will remove the null values. Then what I need to get the count star values. Okay, this count star. So what is the equivalent here? I can write value counts. Value counts function is the equivalent of count star. Okay, then I need reset index. So why reset index? Till this one it is a series, till this one this is a series. So when I am using reset index, it is creating two separate columns, manager ID and a count. Okay, each manager has some counts, right? So it will create two separate columns and it will convert it into data frame. Okay, if I print this one, so what it will give me, here you can see manager ID 1 has 4 counts. Like this it will give me, but it is not looking good, right? This column names does not look good. So what I can write, result dot columns. So I am renaming the columns. So column name, what I write, I need manager ID and I need member count. Okay, now if I run this one, if I print this one and run, equals to is not there, result count equals to. So if I run this one, so here you can see managers and their member counts. So like this we can convert SQL queries into Python. If you like my channel, please share it among your friends, support my channel, subscribe it. Thank you guys, thank you.